Hi squad, welcome champions watching. In this visual content, let's solve this addition problem. 49 plus 47. The ones place is on the right and the tens place is on the left. We start solving the addition equation by adding the numbers in the ones place. 9 plus 7 equals 16. In the number 16, there are 6 ones, right? 6 in the ones place. The number in the tens place is called the carry. We carry the 1 over to the tens place and write it above the 4 like this. Now we add the numbers in the tens place. 1 plus 4 equals 5. We need to add 4 more, which gives us 9, right? 9 in the tens place. So 49 plus 47 equals 96. And this is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe for more fun.